Rebar bending machine, basic troubleshooting checklist. Step 1. Check power indicators. Confirm yellow and green indicator lights are on. Check digital voltage display. It should show above 380 volts for 3-phase supply. If indicators and voltage are normal, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Check emergency switches. Ensure the front emergency stop is released. Ensure the back emergency stop is released. Both must be released for operation. If both emergency switches are released and the machine is still not working, continue. Step 3. Check control panel breaker. Open the machine control circuit panel. Check if the main breaker is on. If the breaker is off, switch it on. If already on, proceed. Always ensure main power is turned off before opening the panel. Step 4. Check motor condition. Check for any burning smell from the motor. Listen for abnormal motor sounds. If a burning smell is present, motor winding may be damaged. Motor replacement is required. Why does motor burning happen? Motor damage occurs due to phase loss, low or unstable voltage, or continuous overloading of the machine. Bending steel beyond rated capacity. How to prevent this issue? 1. Always check indicator lights and voltage display before operating. 2. Stop the machine immediately if you notice unusual motor sound. 3. Avoid bending steel beyond machine capacity. 4. Contact technical support if any abnormal issue occurs.